On July 14, 2017, Binance officially launched its exchange, but the real foundation was laid slightly earlier. Binance conducted its initial coin offering, or ICO, for Binance Coin BNB from July 1st to July 21st, 2017. The goal was to raise capital and create a utility token. They raised $15 million in the ICO, surprised. BNB was initially launched as an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The core promise was a massive 50% discount on trading fees in the first year. This was a brilliant strategic move. Traders flocked to the platform, drawn by the simple, undeniable incentive. At the ICO, BNB was priced at approximately 11 cents per token. Initial setup was lean, but the platform was technically superior. Capable of processing 1.4 million orders per second, the early days were a blur of frenetic growth and market skepticism. Can a new exchange truly challenge the established giants? Questioning skeptics questioned their security and their global and anchored nature. But Binance was relentless. In just 6 months, by December 2017, Binance ascended. It became the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by daily trading volume. Powerful, this was an unprecedented rise. The market had spoken, valuing speed, efficiency, and lower fees above all else. In 2018, Binance's growth continued its terrifying pace. They introduced key features like Binance Labs for venture capital and Binance Launchpad for token sales. They acquired Trust Wallet, a move that signaled their commitment to decentralization. The team, originally small, expanded globally, mirroring their user base, but CZ knew they couldn't be constrained by Ethereum's limits forever. Determined, a critical turning point came in April 2019 with the launch of the Binance Chain Mainnet. This was a declaration of independence. BNB migrated from Ethereum's ERC-20 to become the native token, BEP-2, on its own chain. The purpose was singular: to provide lightning-fast, decentralized exchange capabilities. This paved the way for the launch of the Binance DX, a decentralized exchange built on the new chain. Users now had the option to trade without handing over custody of their funds. This move doubled their vision, offering both centralized efficiency and decentralized freedom. Then came the year that changed everything. 2020. The world was changing, and the need for new financial rails became clear. In September 2020, Binance launched the Binance Smart Chain, now known as BNB Smart Chain, BSC. This was the masterstroke. BSC ran parallel to the main chain, but it introduced smart contract functionality and EVM compatibility. This meant developers could easily port Ethereum dApps over, benefiting from BSC's low fees and faster transaction speeds. The DeFi boom exploded on BSC. Suddenly, Binance was not just an exchange, it was a foundational ecosystem for decentralized finance. The results were astronomical. By 2021, during the height of the bull market, Binance's peak daily trading volume often exceeded $76 billion. Its user base expanded into the tens of millions globally. BNB's price saw a historic surge, driven by its utility for trading fees, Launchpad access, and as the gas token for the rapidly expanding BSC ecosystem. BNB reached its all-time high price record in May 2021, a dizzying climb from its initial 11 cents. Binance had firmly cemented its position as the undisputed global leader in crypto. Its strategic investments through Binance Labs fueled the growth of hundreds of crypto projects. Its quarterly BNB burn mechanism, destroying tokens to reduce supply, underscored a commitment to deflationary economics and community value. Reflective, the journey has not been without its challenges. The market's volatility, major security events, and, most critically, regulatory pressures have tested the company. Binance has had to adapt rapidly, shifting its headquarters and compliance strategy to meet the ever-changing landscape of global finance, but the core impact remains. Binance democratized global access to crypto trading. It introduced an entire generation to digital assets, from retail traders to institutional players. The BNB chain ecosystem continues to be a driving force for dApps, NFTs, and GameFi. It is a living testament to the power of a simple idea that speed, technology, and listening to the community can challenge entrenched systems. From a simple ICO in 2017 to a global financial powerhouse processing trillions in annual volume, the Binance story is the quintessential modern business epic. Inspiring, it reminds us that in the digital age, a small team with a superior product can rewrite the rules of global finance overnight. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.